So my name's David Bosanquet. I'm a vascular surgeon working in the Royal Gwent Hospital. So we had a patient with a significant problem with their foot in a peripheral hospital, and this was right in the throes of COVID. And we need to discuss with the patient whether or not it was appropriate to offer them major surgery, such as an amputation, or not. And we felt the risk of bringing the patient all the way from the peripheral hospital to the Royal Gwent was too much. And also, it's a discussion which is quite difficult to have just using the telephone. So we were able to link in with that patient via Attend Anywhere. But not only with the patient, we were also able to get 3 other family members in different areas across the UK to join us using Attend Anywhere. And this was invaluable, not only decision making between me and the patient, but also having the interaction and the input from the family members. So if we didn't have Attend Anywhere, then I would have had to make a judgment call as to the safety of bringing the patient to the hospital with the risks that it comes with, versus delaying the decision until the situation with COVID had settled down. So as it was, that would have been a difficult situation, and it would have put the patient at increased risk either way.